Okay, thank you, Jen. Hello, everybody. I'm happy to be here just to talk a little bit about our product. So our company is Art Massif is a manufacturer of glue laminated architectural structures. We define ourselves as a creative and custom glue lamp structure manufacturer. So we're based in the province of Quebec in Canada, and we've been doing glue lamp structures for more than 10 years now. What sets us apart from what you will usually find on the market is, well, it's definitely the aesthetic of our glue lamp and also of the systems we have developed to connect all the wood members together. We're specialized in hidden connectors, so only wood is left aside, as you can see on the pictures that will appear during my presentation. So we love working in partnership. We're convinced that it's the best way to work, to have a successful project and eliminate bad surprises at each stage, and all the way from the design phase to the installation of the structure. So that means that the earliest you put us into the project, you have questions when you start designing, the better the chances are that you'll have an effective project and effective in the aesthetic you're looking for and the cost you're looking for. So for those of you that have good knowledge or are experts on glue lamp, you know that the particularity of this material is that it's a structural product as well as a design product. So what you can do with that product, all kinds of projects. You can do residential, of course, and all kinds of styles, contemporary style also. Commercial buildings, you see here a microbrewery, you see a golf clubhouse. You can do office buildings. We do up to 5 stories high office buildings. You can do up to 20 stories in some regions or some countries. In Art Massif, we specialize in visible glue lamps, so we do a few stories high only, because the more you go higher, the less you will see the wood because of fire resistance. So you can do cultural buildings, educational, a lot of schools, cafeteria, sports hall, equestrian, manufacturing, all recreational, ice rink, very popular in Quebec, maybe not in California or Oregon. So we can do all kinds of buildings. I just have a few slides on our glue lamp manufacturing process. So our fabrication process starts with 2x6 studs. And from the procurement of the wood all the way up to the installation, we have 22 quality control checkpoints to make sure we will deliver an outstanding structure for your client. And to increase our production capacity, we invested in expanding our plant 2 years ago, and we installed a CNC machine, so a numerical controlled machining center, which is unique in North America. It's a Swiss machine, very precise. So in addition to allowing us to increase our capacity, it offers us a very high precision of the connectors. We thus have a very great effectiveness in sight, because no surprises, everything fits into place. And it allows us to do all kinds of shapes. We can do panels on it. We can do CLT panels. We can do curved beams. We can do round shape, different shapes, all on that machine. So we can do, as I was saying, any shape you want. Straight, curve, square, round. We have a pattern lathe that can do tapers and shapes. So whatever you want to do, we can do it. We have exclusive products also. It's a structural beam made out of black walnut or red cedar or ash. So it's our prestige glue lamp. So if you want information about that, it's very unique. You just have to get in touch, and I will share with pleasure. We do turnkey projects. We have an expertise from preliminary design all the way up to installation. So these are examples of renderings we give to the clients while we're working on the project. We can exchange files with you. We have a special Revit app add-on that you can put in your software that you will have all the specification of our product. So I don't know if Eli is, I have a colleague, maybe he's going to talk about that later today. So because you have a Building Green special day today, I want to talk about a little bit of beyond the structure, our planet. So why you should choose wood when you want to build green instead of other structural materials? Well, because wood is the perfect carbon fixer. That's an example here of a building we did in the last year, I think. It's a 4-story office building, 27,000 square feet of living spaces. So you had almost 150,000 board feet of wood. So that makes 312 tons of CO2 that will be sequestrated in that building for all of its life. So it equals to 62 cars taken off the road per year. So that's a good move, a gesture when a client wants to do something for the planet. I think wood is a really, really good choice. So because we are preoccupied by that, and because we think our client and their professionals want to have information about that, we put in our documents, in our quotation, when we give a price for a structure, we put all the information that I gave you just there for that, the example for that building, we tell it to the client. So it's something more, information that is pretty cool to have. We have an EPD also, so just I'm sure you're all very familiar with that. So all these documentations are on our website. You can follow us on our different platforms, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and call us if you need.
All right, and your information is there going vertically. So if you guys want to use the screenshot to contact Genevieve, but her information and the presentation is in the Dropbox if you want to refer back to that. So thanks again for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you very much.